Welcome back. This is JP Matthew. Today we are going to prepare a Chinese dish, shrimp and broccoli stir fry. The key ingredient of this preparation is the sauce we are going to make. Let's get started. Add some salt to shrimp and keep it aside. We need the white side of this spring onion. Slice and keep aside. Now we need to mince the garlic. You need to keep a quarter portion of the garlic for later. We need that when we cook the shrimp. Add some salt. Add soya sauce. Add some olive oil. Add some cornstarch, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Sauce is almost ready now. Let's prepare the broccoli. Add broccoli to boiling water and cook for 2 minutes. Now we can strain this and keep it aside. This is a very easy recipe. Preparation time is approximately 10 minutes and cook time is around 15 minutes. Now the broccoli is ready. Heat the pan on medium flame. Add some oil. Add minced garlic. Now let us add the shrimp. Let us add some pepper to it. We want this to be cooked in medium heat. We want the shrimp to be cooked well inside and outside. That's why we need it in medium heat. Cook for 3 or 4 minutes. Shrimp is now pink and curled, which means it is almost cooked. Add broccoli and turn to high heat. Now add the prepared sauce. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now the shrimp is well coated with the sauce. It smells very good now. If you don't have broccoli, you can use capsicum. That's a good alternative. It's almost ready for serving now. I hope you will try this. Try it and let me know your comments. If you like this video, share it with your friends. This has come out very well. Let me try it for you. Super. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.